Press the alarm button to select an alarm, example AL1. Wait 2 seconds to display the alarm time settings. Press and hold the alarm button until the hour starts flashing. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the hour, making sure to select either AM or PM. Press alarm to confirm. The minutes will flash. Use the plus or minus button to set the minutes. Press alarm to confirm. The display will show ALON, representing alarm on, or ALOF, representing alarm off. Use the plus or minus button to toggle on or off. Press alarm to confirm. The weekday will flash, example, SU for Sunday, MO for Monday. Use the plus or minus button to select a weekday. Press the red button to toggle the weekday on, which will display the box as selected, or OFF, which will leave it empty. Weekdays set to on, which are boxed, will activate the alarm for those days. Ignore weekday settings for a daily alarm. Press the time button anytime to exit the alarm setting mode.